You can help learners to manage their time and stay on track to complete their courses by adding events, reminders, and due dates to the interconnected LMS calendar. The calendar can be viewed in a monthly or daily format. Alternatively, a list of all upcoming calendar events can also be displayed. The calendar can also be filtered to display only events relevant to specific courses. Administrators and learners can also connect their LMS calendar to personal calendars via a two-way sync. In the right-hand drawer, you will find a color key for the different event types. Site events are visible to all users site-wide. Similarly, category events are visible at a category level and course events at a course level. Group events are visible to a specified course group and user events only to the specific user. The New Event button can be used to add any of these event types to the LMS calendar. You can, optionally, also specify the location and duration of events. And if you select to make this a weekly recurring event, you can define how many times the event must be repeated. The events you create will be added to the calendar and will be visible in accordance with the type of event that has been specified.